After you have either imported your patient's intake information using your online forms or manually entered their intake information, recording your examination and then producing your reports and claims is very easy. To start, open up the patient's chart, and you'll see here we imported the basic contact information, the patient's insurance policy information, and DentalWriter imported a visit form that contains the patient's questionnaire, the health history and sleep history questions. So to record my exam, when the patient comes in, I'm going to select View Form to open the form I imported. I'll select why the patient is presenting, if there's a referring physician, and you'll see here the patient's chief complaints, medical history, CPAP intolerance, and Epworth has already imported. From there, you can jump straight into their examination form and enter your examination data. You can point and click all the way through your examination and even customize it to match the different sections that you want to appear. You'll go through a brief oral exam, any records that you completed that day, what your diagnosis is, or the given diagnosis, what the treatment plan is, can indicate the patient's next appointment with you, and select your exam code for that day. Once that's completed, we've now finished step 1 and step 2 of the 4-step process. So, creating our follow-up reports and our claim forms is just a couple clicks of a button away. From here, I'll come to my Recipients tab and just tell DentalWriter everybody that I want to receive a follow-up report about this visit. For time's sake, I'll select 3. You could go more. And then I'm going to select the button to create my reports. DentalWriter will open up Microsoft Word and literally start writing your letters for you. Once the documents are complete, you can print them off or make any changes you'd wish to, and you can exit right out because DentalWriter has already saved a copy of those documents. So we're already done with our follow-up reports. Now we can create our claim form, again with just a couple clicks of a button. I'm going to come to the Claim Form tab for my sleep initial consultation visit and select New Claim. It's going to ask me if I want to use this exam for my codes. I always say yes. DentalWriter will ask a few questions specific to each claim if the patient is self-insured and if it's due to an accident or employment. And then it will bring you up your completed claim form. All the patient's policy information, diagnosis information, and the procedures we completed are already there for us, as well as all of the billing information. This claim is ready to print off or send electronically to our medical insurer.